Hi there, thank you for tuning in. It's Damien here with Big AZ Speakers. Today, just doing a quick demo video of this beautiful Kenwood KA-9100 integrated amplifier, rated at 90 watts per channel at 8 ohms. Just got done putting it through service and some repair. Recapped the power supply relay boards and a few capacitor replacements on the tone boards. The switches, especially the subsonic switch here, originally came in, was cutting the channel in and out. Completely removed these switches from the board, disassembled them, and cleaned them really good. So again, sometimes deoxit's not enough to do it right. You gotta take some things apart and clean the switches. So anyways, it's running really good now. We did give it LED lights, but we kept them an incandescent color to match the original, so it has a nice little orange glow to it. So as you can see, this thing's in fantastic condition. Not mint, but oh so close. When I got it, actually got this in California a couple years ago, and the guy had it rack mounted. He took really good care of it, but he was using rack trays, kind of like what I use here, so there's no rack handles scratching it up. But he had removed the original lid, and so had to have one made, which turned out pretty well. I'd like to thank my buddy Chris, who does most of my cabinetry work, and kind of tasked him with doing some metal work, which he's a jack of all trades, but it came out better than I expected. He put increased bigger ventilation lid. Normally it's the two-piece lid, similar to what it looks, but the vent screen isn't as big, so we wanted that a little bit bigger, get some good air movement going through here. So powered on, just running hi-fi, Tidal hi-fi stream music through USB to my DAC here. So 1 second, I gotta.
There's no way I'm gonna let go.
One thing I really like about it's so basically a three-way loudness option. So that's loud and soft. And one is your highest, and it's kind of intermediate loudness, and then same with the gain and muting switches. So tone controls off here, back on. I got the bass kind of in the zeroed out position up here. It's all the way down, all the way up. Treble, all the way up, back neutral all the way down. Monitor switches. So reverse switches left to right, down, mono, balance, full right. Give it some volume here. Back to both. Left.
Just what it is I've got.
Subsonic.
Did I lose my way?
High filter. Notice how you didn't hear a single snap, crackle, pop through any of the controls.
Nobody said good day.
jamming out there. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. Hopefully my mic took all that. So alright, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please post in the comments or visit us at our website, bigazspeakers.com. So again, that's www.bigaz, like Arizona, speakers.com. We're also on Reverb, but if you buy directly through our Big AZ store, we do not charge you the tax through that route. On Reverb, we don't have a choice there, so you'll pay tax unless you're in one of the 2 states that isn't making people pay tax for used goods. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Please be sure to follow us, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos, and have a wonderful day.